we did part of the MBA became practical research opportunities for projects that I was leading and dealing with that work. I would encourage you to use the opportunities for real life examples that you're in now, because it's a gift.
Maybe reassess, actually. You've got to keep learning, you've got to keep embracing. The only way to sort of stay on top, to stay ahead, is your ability to learn.
The MBA gave you, the skills to continue improvement, to continue learning about as well business strategy, about analysis, about many other aspects that you can, improve in your day-to-day, in your job as well. It's something important. The MBA can give you that.